What's up guys, today we are going to set up a custom domain from Ecwid. So we have a custom domain from Namecheap hosting provider. So first we must log into Ecwid, and then on the side menus we must go to website and then overview. So it will bring us to this page. So here we can choose site address. You can click that one, and then on this portion just write your domain name. So for my case it's this one. Then after that just follow the instructions below. So it says log in to your domain registers control panel. So in my case that's the Namecheap. And the second, so first we must do that one. So here we are already logged in namecheap.com. So we must select the domain and then click manage. Then after that go to advanced DNS. So we already did step 1, so we'll go back to Ecwid and then we will go to step 2. So it says create an A record for your domain and point it to this IP address. We will go back to Namecheap and then so here's the A record. Click that one and then let's type here the IP address. I already finished that one, so I'm just showing you how. So here you type the IP address, which is this one, and then here you can write at, or you can just write your domain like this. Then you click check mark, will save the changes. Then after that, I'm not gonna save it since it's already there. After that we'll go to step 3 to create a CNAME record for your domain and specify www as a name or alias. So it will look like this. So the host will be www and then the value will be like this, your domain. So after that one, go back to your Ecwid and then click save. Once you save it, so the changes will take effect every 2 hours, or sometimes it will take 24 hours or more. So once you save that one, you can access your Ecwid by your domain. So that's how it works.